When we get a new piece of furniture, we always look at it to try and figure out what we're going to do to update it. For this piece, we're going to remove the hardware and give it some new modern hardware. We're going to give it a coat of paint, and we're also going to remove those bun feet and add some new modern feet. We give it a cleaning with Crud Cutter to remove the grease and grime so that the paint will stick properly. We then give the piece a scuff sand with 220 grit sandpaper so the paint has something to grip onto. We clean the sanding dust off. We remove the cupboards to make it easy to paint, and we label them so they'll go back in the right place. We used Dixie Belle chalk and mineral paint in the color Yankee Blue and applied it over the entire piece. We applied 2 coats of the Dixie Belle paint. After letting it dry for 24 hours, we were ready to put a polyurethane sealant on it to protect the paint. We stirred the polyurethane slowly to not create bubbles. We applied it quickly with a polyester Wooster brush. We were careful to not overwork the polyurethane and to not go over parts that had previously been brushed. After applying multiple coats of the polyurethane, we were ready to remove the paint tape to see our beautiful lines. We applied our new hardware, and then we were ready to take on those bun feet. We were able to easily remove the bun feet by just unscrewing the screws, and then we were ready to apply our new wooden modern feet. We bought the leg kit on Amazon, and it came with everything we would need to install the legs properly.
So here's our supplies. Sheila's going to get the drill bit, put it into our drill, and she made a template. So now she's gonna know exactly where to drill on each one of those corners. So where did you place the placing?
Okay, I'm gonna put my template here, about here, I'll measure it out. But you have to keep in mind that the leg is gonna stick out, and you wanna get it in the right place so that it doesn't come out further than the furniture.
That's a good tip.
Super important.
And in the middle of the wood so that it doesn't...
Well, you also want to look at the placement of the leg. Looking at the piece, it has to look aesthetically in the right place. If you get it way over here, it actually looks ridiculous.
Now, Sheila is supposed to only drill in 1 inch for the hole. So what we're gonna do is put green tape around the 1 inch mark so that when we're drilling in, we know when to stop.
Do this.
Here we go. Anyone can do this. It's easy.
Seriously, if we can do it.
I know. Okay, go.
Here we go.
Dum da da dum. Nice.
This piece has officially been flipped. It got new paint, new hardware, and new modern legs to update the look. Make sure to follow the Furniture Sisters on YouTube and Instagram for more furniture flips.